So again, anything but the typical summer volume. Now we had that on Friday. It was a very slow day, but that was kind of a one-off. So far this summer has been very active. That's a good thing for us, and we're going to be ready and primed to take advantage. All right, so I think I've got the watch lists updated on pretty much everything I want to take a look at for earnings. I know NASDAQ is set to make a nice rebound here. It sold off pretty hard at the end of the day on Friday, just in the last half hour or so. But I think, looking for a nice little rebound, at least in the start. NASDAQ futures are up 35 here with a minute to go pre-market. Okay, any last questions on IBM or Netflix so we can put this to rest? Anybody at all?